Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set the conversion action names for the Performance Labelizer script. This is a nice little feature we added directly into the script. And what you need to do is set the conversion action name in the script. And what you do is you copy directly the same name as the conversion into an array in the script. There's an example above the variable, which you can fill in or look at for inspiration on how to do it. You need to use that format because otherwise it will not work. This is useful for if you have multiple conversion actions set as primary, for example, add to cart and conversions, and you only want to run the script for conversions. Then another option is if you have only purchase as a primary conversion, but you also want to run the script with add to carts, you can also fill it in here. That's everything for what you need to know, and you can try it out with different options. But it's very handful if you have duplicate conversions or have multiple set as primary and you only want to use one. Thank you.